Okay, so this is a PTFE barrier in between the extruder. This is now a MakerBot's extruder. This design has the brass filter, the brass tube, and the MK3 nozzle. It's just easier for me to have them make it. So I'm going to go ahead and just extrude this a little bit so you can see. You can see that it heats up enough. To consistently it heats up enough to consistently melt the plastic. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hold my iPhone. Okay, so I'm touching this part right here. It's not hot at all. And then you can see the filament's able to extrude out of there with no problem. I'm going to hook this up to my printer next. It's going to go like this. Anyway, the point of this extruder is that it's simpler than mine. It doesn't get as hot, and these parts right here that I'm holding, the reason I'm able to hold them is because they're completely insulated. The brass on the bottom of this does not touch the metal washer. I'm using the PTFE as an insulation, both for the thermal barrier for the filament and also for the outside brackets that hold the extruder together that hook up to the tool. It's going to hook up to the tool, and the top and the bottom won't get more than 100 C because the plastic I use can only handle 150 C that holds it in place. Anyway, I thought you guys would like to know that I'm using a more well-known extruder design, and you should be receiving these shortly. So this will be installed, and the extruder motor will be going. I'll take a video of the motor going with the extruder in the printer tonight, and hopefully be showing a printing video. I just thought you guys would like to know that I went ahead, and this is the extruder design, very similar to how MakerBot does theirs. I'm also starting to supply Captain tape if you'd rather your printer have Captain tape and wire that has a protective coating on the outside of it. I've also uploaded a video on how to wrap the neochrome wire if it hasn't been coated, and how to coat it with cement before you wrap it. So you might want to check that video out. So anyway, this is the PTFE barrier. There's a brass rod, and then there's an extruder end. That can either be a cap nut, or it can be an extruder. This is a half a millimeter extruder, 0.5 millimeter. My specifications on my page says 0.6, so I went down a little bit, and I'm going to show you the feed rate with the motor here in the next video. My breadboard and stuff, just trying to show you. There's my prototype printer again doing its thing, with waiting to have this extruder put in place.